Hey, you. What are you doing? Have you look at your clock and see that it's been more than an hour and you haven't accomplished anything? Sounds familiar? Pareho tayo. I'm the same. Sometimes I look at the clock and say, "Ooh, what happened? So fast. The time is moving so fast." Reason for that is because we don't know that we are consuming a lot and we are waiting to be fed. Alam nyo, sabi ko nga sa sarili ko kanina, I will not be discouraged whatever circumstances came. I will keep on creating videos dahil um, it helps me, and I know it will help you. So, if it's your first time in this channel, my name is Glenn. And if it's your multiple times, thank you very much for the trust and also for the support. Guys, alam nyo, we consume a lot in terms of, sa panonood lang ng mga series, di ba? We don't know that we're binging already, binge watching. And then we realized that whatever marketing or influencer nowadays, di ba, tells us, malaking bagay sa brain natin, sa mind natin. And we keep on just basically scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. So, I challenge you, why don't you start creating? Diba? Mag-create tayo. It doesn't matter kung merong mag-like, kung merong mag-subscribe, o kung merong mag-comment o wala. Sana meron. But, you know, the important thing is you exercise your skills, your talent, and your God-given ability. A lot of times we think that whatever we can offer, yung mga ganon, walang magbe-benefit. You're wrong, my friend. Sad to say, a lot of us thinks that way. Oh, I don't have talent. I don't have anything to give. But that is the lie of the enemy. We were created by God to create. We were created in His image, di ba? Ano ba ginawa niya? Di ba sa Genesis, ang dami niyang kin-create. So, obvious na if we are created sa image ng God, we are also asked to create. But why do we consume a lot? 'Di ba? Kasi nga yun nga na brainwash tayo na spoon feed. Every 5 minutes or every 2 minutes there's a commercial, there's an ad. Do this. And then, when you look at your subscription, Netflix, Disney Channel, I'm not plugging, I'm not sponsored by any of them. Tayo, scroll, scroll, scroll. Ako guilty ako diyan, especially lately sa YouTube. I've been scrolling a lot. Sometimes I don't even do the search anymore. Whatever's been recommended to me, I watch. Obviously, I support YouTubers, di ba? We are in this journey together, so we support each other. So, going back to what I'm saying, we are created by God to create. Yun nga, created by God, di ba? So, I challenge you, starting today, put your phone down, think of something that you can share, and then video mo, tsaka mo pick up yung phone or write it down to the journal, but offer it to the Lord. Kasi alam nyo, sabi sa Ecclesiastes, teka, basahin ko Ecclesiastes, where is it now? 11:6. Sow your seed in the morning, and at evening let your hands not be idle. For you do not know which will succeed, whether this or that, or whether both will do equally well. So, hindi mo alam kung ano yung magsasucceed. So, similar to what we are doing, if we put our hearts to it, our passion, and our effort 100%, it doesn't matter what other people say. It doesn't matter what other people do. What matters is you are creating something, not just for yourself, but for the world out there, showing your talent, showing your skills. Yesterday, me and my son, I'm not a handyman, but we created yung shelves and my wife was very happy. So binild namin together. It's a good father and son bonding. So you is the same. I believe in you. I know that there's something in you because God is not a God that will design you just to exist. I'm pretty sure and I'm 100% certain, I believe in my heart, God created you and me to excel in this world. Hindi nga lang nating alam when and where yung ating breakthrough. Only God knows. But what I can guarantee is if you put in the work, you will reap the reward. You saw what you reap, 'di ba? So, I challenge you, keep doing what you are doing right now, honoring God, and then start creating content, creating something, doesn't matter, small, 1 minute, 2 minutes, it doesn't matter kung gaano katagal, but important mo itanong sa sarili mo. Ask yourself, am I happy doing this? Does it brings joy, peace? And if it does, that means, you know, that is something for you. And that's what I'm doing as well for me. I know that by sharing this, by encouraging others, it makes me happy. I don't care about what other people thinks. The important thing is I'm following what's been given to me by the Lord. I'm following what's in my heart. I'm following my passion. And I know and I believe in you that you will do the same. So God bless, guys. And I have to go somewhere. So by the way, it's negative 2 degrees here at the moment in in Sydney. So ang ginaw, ang ginaw, ang ginaw. So God bless. Stay safe, stay peaceful. And until I see you again next time, thank you for your time. Love you guys. God bless. Peace.